Welcome back to the MakeForms 2.0 tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a step form in MakeForms. A step form lets you split your form into pages. Each page shows a few fields at a time, so people don't get confused or tired. It helps them finish the form more easily. Let's get started. From your dashboard, open an existing form. We'll use the enrollment form as an example. This form already includes basic student details like name, mobile number, and address. Now let's add a page for Guardian details. Scroll to the bottom of the builder and click Add Page. This adds a new page to your form. Let's add necessary field one by one. Add fields like name, relation to student, and contact number. As you add fields, the page name and description fields will appear at the top. Set the page name to Guardian Details and use the description Add Parent or Guardian Contact Information. Let's go back and label page 1 properly so it's clear that it's about student information. Then add page 3 for previous school info. Add the required field and set the page name and description. To manage a page, hover over the Page tab and click the Settings icon. There you'll find options to rename, duplicate, or delete the page. To rearrange pages, just drag them into the order you want. Here you can also change the title for the Submit button to match your form's context. Once you've added and organized your pages, click Publish. Your step form is now live, and users will move through it one section at a time, seeing only what's needed on each page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next MakeForms tutorial.